Professor, Physician, Epidemiologist. I am Dr. Sri Banerjee.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, and in this segment I'm going to be going over CMS data and how you can spatially join with other existing data sets such as county health rankings. So let me go ahead and get started here. CMS, first of all, stands for Center for Medicaid and Medicare Services. Actually, it's Medicare and Medicaid Services. So this allows you to understand potentially what is going on spatially, but also what goes on within the county health rankings. So let me show you exactly where the data set exists, because a lot of times it's difficult to maneuver and find the data set within the website. So what you have to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom. You might be tempted to explore data, the button named Explore Data, but that's not the case. You go down here, all the way down, and then you click on Medicare chronic conditions. And so this is all the way at the end. And then when you have Medicare chronic conditions, go all the way to the bottom, and you'll find multiple chronic conditions. And then under multiple chronic conditions, you can see that the latest data available was 2018. So you want to make sure, for instance, county health rankings, the corresponding data set is 2018, so that you can spatially join that and get the most accurate information that you can find. So when you have multiple chronic conditions, you want to make sure that you're able to not only find the data set, but also the code book. And so you can download all of this information, the data dictionary and everything right there, and then a methodology. So the data set actually is very compatible with all different types of software, statistical software. And this actually is a view of the data set and what is included and available. I'm going to show you something that I find very useful is the mapping that is associated with this. So let's go back here. So here's some of the data dictionaries here. So we're here back in the multiple chronic conditions. You can visualize the data. Here's the interactive atlas. And the reason I'm showing this to you so that you can get a quick peek at what types of information and what types of diseases are covered. So this has everything from alcohol abuse, which is actually a part of the county health rankings as well. Everything from Alzheimer's disease, dementia, arthritis, asthma, atrial fibrillation, cancer, COPD, and chronic kidney disease, even depression and diabetes. Now, depression and diabetes, and I believe chronic kidney disease is also covered. Atrial fibrillation is not, and arthritis, as far as I remember. So these are very important to cover. And then here's another public use data place. However, it doesn't have the actual data set there. So now you know how to actually access this data set and better be equipped in conducting spatial, geospatial analyses and applications. I hope this makes sense and you've learned something today. Thank you for listening.